Just like that, our time in Kalamazoo is over. We had a wonderful week here, did a little bit of exploring, but mostly just hang out with our friends Cynthia and Moh. Thanks so much, guys, for coming and meeting with us. Meanwhile, Cynthia is a massage therapist, and I had the best deep tissue massage with cupping therapy, which is a type of deep tissue massage that you can look up if you're interested. Amazing. So, and she's a full-time traveler, so who knows, maybe you'll be in her area one day and you can get a nice on-site massage. But we are moving on to Grand Haven, which should be a little cooler.
Hey, Penny jumped out.
Penny's like, it's time to go, guys. Let's go.
All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Wow, look at these sites. Now this is a campground that you don't go to if you actually want to camp. This is a campground that you go to when you want a resort. You have nice, completely level, maintained sites. Pool over there, bathhouse there, Courtney here. There's all this good stuff in this campground.
Yeah, I have a feeling we'll move our table to behind the Airstream and we'll just use that as our little patio instead of up here. It tells me where the cell phone signal. No, there's one down there.
Which direction?
Southeast. Southeast would be more like, it was more south than east, I think. Somewhere like.
It's almost in that direction now.
Yeah, it is. That might be the best it's doing.
So we have 11.4 down, 12.6 up. That's good. I'm happy with that, but that was without the booster. So we just put the booster up, and I'm going to test this one more time and see what difference it makes. And the after report is 15 down, 13 up. So there was an improvement. Sometimes the Wii Boost improves it like double, but other times it's relatively mediocre, but that's okay because internet was already pretty darn good. So we're still happy with that. If you have any interest in that booster, we'll have a link to our Amazon store in the description. That is where all of our stuff is.
I've been looking for a basket or something to put over here to store mangoes, avocados, tomatoes, and some like olive oils and stuff we cook with. And we found something. We have to do a little work to get it right. So we found this at home when we were at the gym this morning because it was right next door. We went looking. And I think it's going to work perfectly. It just has wheels, which we don't want wheels. So we're going to take the wheels off and then see how it sits, and then we'll probably end up trying to secure it to the wall at some point, but for now I just want to see how it works.
All right, let's get those wheels off.
Yay! We'll try it here for a while first before we secure it. I'll just put it away when we move. And yeah, see how it goes. I'm excited.
You know what it's time for now? You know what it's time for. You always look forward to this. I know you do. Admit it. Our post getting to a campground walk with girls, and we'll show you around. Okay. This is a resort, man. This is a resort. Even better, I think, or nicer than the KOA because it's got grass. All right, let's go. Oh, I need to grab a bag.
There are 4 rows here at this resort, and there are 4 pricing schemes based on which row you're in. We're in the row as far away from the river as you can be, therefore the cheapest, because that's what we do. But as you get closer and closer to the river, you get more expensive sites, but more premium sites. So let's walk over to the river so you can see the most premium sites here.
And in case you're wondering, we're talking about the Grand River, which is this series of rivers that all lead into Lake Michigan in western Michigan. I mean, everything around here is just so manicured. Look at that stone wall. That's super nice. And in case you're wondering, we paid about $58 a night to stay in row 4, which is right there. $78 a night, so an extra 20 bucks a night to stay in these. This is row 1 right by the river, and if you notice, they're pull-ins, so you get the best view from the front of your rig, which is the way that the majority of RVs, not all, but the majority of RVs are set up, especially Class A's.
It's interesting to see all of these like fifth wheels and things, because they must have had to drive on the grass to get out. But yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
The patio.
I mean, look at that, was kind of precarious because there's a bit of a drop off there to get your rig into position. Interesting. But yes, an extra 20 bucks a night for a nice water view. All right, I have to show you this. Isn't that the coolest little thing? A red retro whitewater. And I'm not going to kid you into saying, oh, we would never pay for those spots anyway. Those people are great. No, if we were less cheap, or if we had more money, we probably would be right there, because the view is really nice. And you're at the edge of the campground, so it's going to be quietest, and not to mention the river view, of course.
We, $55 a night is super expensive, which is what we're paying here. So for us, that was pushing it already. But we wanted to be in this area, and we decided to splurge a bit for 4th of July. But yeah, we're more used to like 30, 35 being our highest, and we like it free whenever we can get it, which is mostly out west. So
there's a reason why we're doing this lifestyle in our 30s. It's because we don't stay at places like this very often, and when we do, we don't pick the most expensive site. And rows 1 and 2, you get this little stone paver patio thing here. Pickleball courts that you can reserve, some shaded like common areas there, playground here, and the pool is over there. And of course, their poop bags are full. The last place we were at, they were empty the entire week. Oh, what a difference a $58 a night site does. Nicely manicured walking path. Common fire pit, playground, pool, aforementioned pickleball courts, and to complete the experience, your wet hookup areas are, of course, nicely rocked. So you can see we don't have our sewer plugged in yet because we frankly don't need it.
Hi, Patty. Are you ready for your dinner? Yeah? Oh, really? Oh, really?
time to cook up some dinner, but first, look at that. That is what I was hoping for. Spot on the bottom for some of the fruits and veggies that I want out. Then we have oils and vinegars and some candy right here. Steve's little drink packets that he uses during the day, and some more olives and simple syrups and stuff up there.
Listen to that party at the pool. Okay, all right, focus on dinner, focus on
You
dinner.
can tell it's Friday night. So yeah, so we're gonna try this out. I think I know how I want to secure it to the wall, but that is exactly what I was hoping for, and I'm so happy with it. But tonight, we're gonna use some peppers, some mangoes, because these are soft, and I think an avocado. This guy.
Check out these peppers, how beautiful they
pretty?
are. They're so cool.
I found those at the grocery store we were just at, so
There
got
you
some
go.
special ones.
Boom.
Okay, I think it's time to make some dinner. But I wanted to show off my little thing, and that
Looks
meant,
good, looks
that meant
good.
that I reorganized. So this is all our like grains mostly are back there. So we have rice and quinoa back there, and then over here we have some more stuff that I didn't put out, and then flowers and nuts, and so yeah.
We're nutty.
Very happy with how everything is being organized now.
Fantastic.
I'm gonna get cooking.
Okay, that feels like the right time to end the video. We're in Grand Haven for about a week. Hi, Penny. Yeah, tomorrow we are going to meet up, and we're gonna go to the gym and maybe an art festival, which isn't really our thing, but this one sounds super interesting, so check out the next video. Hopefully it's as good as I think it might. I don't know. I just have I got that hunch. I have a good feeling about it. So anyway, check out that video, but for now, that's it. This is a very nice place. It's bug-free, well-maintained. We don't do this often, but when we do, we really enjoy.
Yeah. Tight space spots, which is what you're gonna get with any real campground that you pay for, but it still is really nice. I don't know if I would say it's worth the $55 a night, but we're gonna enjoy it while we're here.
And I think if you use the pool, the hot tub, the fitness, and you know the amenities, you get more value. You get more value, and it's biking distance for everything in Grand Haven, basically. Brussels sprouts.